We have a number of trees and shrubs that bloom in the early spring before the leaves appear. But would you believe a plant that blooms this time of the year after the leaves have fallen? Well, such is the case with the common witch hazel. We get these interesting flowers this time of the year. They bloom normally in October, November, and sometimes as late as December. But it's a large shrub. It can get to be about 20 feet tall with an equal spread, can be trained into a small tree, has this interesting silvery bark, but the most interesting point are these flowers. Just the fact that it's blooming this time of the year. They have these little strap-like petals that are almost spider-like. They're a little bit fragrant, and the petals can protect themselves in that they curl up when it's really, really cold. An extract from the bark of the witch hazel is sometimes used in lotions and other pharmaceuticals. The plant gets its common name from the fact that some of the forked branches were once used in water witching or dowsing. The plant likes a rich organic soil and can grow in quite a bit of sun like we have right here, but it also can take a little bit of shade. In nature, they're found at the edge of forests. The common witch hazel is native to the southeastern part of the United States, and the extent of its range extends into Oklahoma. We actually have 3 counties in the very southeastern part of our state that have the native witch hazel. The plant is in the same family as the sweet gum tree and could make just a really nice addition to your landscape.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.